Right guys, this is my Fingle POV. So I shall be going down to Clifford Bridge, which is just down at the bottom of this hill, I believe. And then I'll be taking the trail to Fingle Bridge along the River Tean. So as usual guys, we'll have a little bit of commentary along the way, but there's no cuts in this whatsoever. What I see, you see. Oh, lots of gnats then. Whew. So this is Clifford Bridge. This little car's just come over. I'll be coming back this way in my vlog pretty soon. But first of all, we'll get to Fingle. Yeah. And this is the beginning of the beautiful gravel road. Just something about riding in the woods, innit guys? And it seems like an age since I've ridden on the gravel road, to be fair. Put you on a different screen. There you go. Yeah, so this particular trail that I'm on at the moment, guys, from that gate that we come in to Fingle Bridge, is about 3 miles. Yeah, so 3 miles of this beautiful trail. It does go on, but I'm just cutting it short at Fingle. And if you're in the area, I do recommend you coming down this way. So many gravel roads to explore down here. Yeah, it's really quite pleasant in the shade here. The trees look beautiful ahead of us. Well, I thought there might be a few more people about, but nice and quiet. An absolute dream to ride this trail, it is. It really is, guys. I have got a big smile on my face. I come across more people down here in the winter time than I have now. Yeah, I have ridden this trail many times over the years gone by on my road tyres, And I used to ride my Giant Defy. I used to come down here quite regularly, and I got the GP 4000s on then. Obviously not as comfortable riding with these Specialized Pathfinder Pros 38Cs I got on. But these are very, very nice, and really does smooth out the trail. It's pretty smooth anyway, to be fair. Oh, we got walkers ahead of us. Give them a bell. No. Oh, thank you. Terrible when they split, isn't it? Oh, where we go now? Oh my goodness. Thank you. It's better if I pull to one side, so we're not all walking and riding into each other. Pick a side. Yeah. Tree down. It's proper down as well, isn't it? Yeah. We're coming down into Fingle now, guys. We're going to cross Fingle Bridge. Thank you. This is Fingle Bridge. I hope you enjoyed that one, guys. Anyway, until next time, ride safe, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bye bye.